won't believe the amazing quality you can get from budget-friendly cameras in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or upgrading your first setup, today we're diving into 5 of the best beginner-friendly cameras that prove incredible photography is totally within reach, no matter your budget. If you're looking for gear reviews, tips and tricks, and educational content, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Choosing the right camera isn't just about specs. It's about unlocking your creativity. The right tool can make photography more fun, more intuitive, and way more rewarding. And the good news? You don't have to spend a fortune to get started. Before we jump in, let's talk about what you should consider. There are great options for every price point, from a few $100s to over $1,000. Are you into street, portraits, landscapes, or video? Your ideal camera depends on it. If menus overwhelm you, you'll want something with a user-friendly interface. The Nikon ZFC is a camera that turns heads, and not just for its looks. It brings that classic film era aesthetic. But don't be fooled, it's fully mirrorless and packed with modern features. It has a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor, great for capturing vibrant, sharp images with beautiful colors. It's lightweight, and the retro dials make it easy to learn how ISO, shutter speed, and aperture work together. The autofocus system includes eye detection and subject tracking, so whether you're doing portraits or street shots, it's intuitive and reliable. This is the camera for someone who wants to learn the craft while looking cool doing it. For a full hands-on review, check the video linked below. If you're looking for something a little more serious, something that can grow with you, the Canon R6 might be the one. It has a full-frame 20 megapixel sensor, which gives you amazing low-light performance and that cinematic depth of field everyone loves. Its dual-pixel autofocus is insanely fast and accurate. Eye tracking, animal tracking, subject recognition, it's one of the most intelligent AF systems on the market. And for video, you get 4K 60 frames per second, internal stabilization, and pro-level features that make this a true hybrid camera. It's not the cheapest on the list, but if you're in it for the long haul, this camera will keep up with your growth. We've got a full review video that breaks it all down, link in the description. The Sony a6700 is the ultimate all-arounder for photographers and videographers. It features a 26 megapixel APS-C sensor with impressive detail, dynamic range, and color science that's been refined from Sony's higher-end models. But the real star is its autofocus. Real-time IAF and subject tracking are incredibly fast and sticky. Whatever you're capturing, the a6700 will nail it. It's compact and travel-friendly, and the fully articulating screen is perfect for vlogging or tricky angle shots. Menu navigation can feel deep at first, but once you customize it, it really works in your favor. We go into full detail in our a6700 breakdown, linked below. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to give it a like. The Nikon D5600 is a fantastic pick if you want to get hands-on with photography, literally. It's a DSLR with a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, which means crisp image quality, even in tough lighting. Its 39-point autofocus system is great for stills, especially when using the optical viewfinder. And while it doesn't have the newest mirrorless tech, it feels like a true camera. Something about that grip, the physical controls, and that satisfying shutter click. It also has a fully articulating touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and solid battery life. Great for beginners who want to explore photography without feeling overwhelmed. And if you're curious how it stacks up against newer models, we've got a full comparison linked below. The Canon Rebel T5i is one of the most affordable and beginner-friendly DSLRs you can pick up, especially secondhand. It sports an 18 megapixel APS-C sensor, and while that's lower than the others on this list, it still delivers clean, quality images in good light. Its 9-point autofocus system is a bit dated, but for learning composition, manual settings, and basic photography skills, it does the job. Where it shines is its ease of use. The guided menus and touchscreen interface make learning fun and frustration-free. If you're just testing the waters of photography or need a camera for casual shooting, This is a solid way to get started without a huge investment. We break down this budget-friendly DSLR in our T5i review, linked below. So which one's right for you? Start with your goals, match your budget, and go with a camera that feels exciting to pick up and learn on. Remember, every camera on this list has a deeper video review linked below if you want to take a closer look. Let us know in the comments which camera you're thinking about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gear reviews and tips. If you're in the market for any of these cameras, check out our website at keh.com.